Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2024 LDV Deliver 9, stock number 69353. This ran from the 7th 2020 to the 6th 2024. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door full dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,